Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha says, during the battle of Trench, an arrow of Hibban bin Ariqa, a Qurayshi, hit the vein of Hazrat Saad bin Muaz radiyallahu anhu. So the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam got a tent pitched for him in the mosque so as to tend for him easily. When the war was at an end, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam came back home. He laid down the weapons and intended to take a bath. When he was shaking the dust off his head, Hazrat Gabriel alayhi salam came and submitted. You have put down the weapons, but by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I have not let them down yet. So move towards them. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam inquired to whom. He beckoned towards the Banu Qurayza. So Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam proceeded towards them. They descended from the castle at his behest, as the both rival parties had admitted Hazrat Saad bin Muaz their mediator. He, Hazrat Saad radiyallahu anhu, said, I decree to kill combatants amongst them, hold their women and children as captive, and to distribute their property amongst the Muslims. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha says, Hazrat Saad radiyallahu anhu made supplication by saying, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, you know well that nothing is dearer to me than to keep on fighting with these people who disbelieved your Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and expelled him from his country. I think you have put an end to the fight between us and the infidels of the Quraysh. If fighting with the Quraysh still remains, keep me alive so that I may fight a war against them in your cause. And if you have ceased our fight with them, let my wound bleed to confirm me martyrdom. So his collarbone started bleeding, and there was a tent of Banu Ghifar in the mosque, and only the flow of blood frightens them. Those people said, O the people of tent, what is this flowing from your side? They then knew that it was the blood oozing out of Hazrat Saad wound, and this very wound caused his death. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4122.